Hello, I'm working on this old mat out of this car I have, and you can see that it's really tarnished and oxidized really bad. It's almost white, and I put a little bit of this new car shine dressing on it. I'm just wiping it on with a paper towel to see if it improves it, and so far it's bringing back the gray color. This is just one application. I want to make sure it's non-greasy if I put it on a floor mat, so it doesn't affect the make the pedals greasy like the brake pedal. And so far it's doing good. This is a cream, and it only takes just a little bit of product to turn this black again, or I mean gray. You can see that it's really making a dramatic improvement. And that's about how much product I'm using. Maybe a quarter teaspoon. This is a water-based product, so I don't think it'll be greasy. And I believe that a second application would look good on here after it sit overnight. Just like all the other products from Chemical Guys, this stuff really works awesome. Thanks for watching.